What I'm going to do is erase these lines to make it a little bit lighter. I used the masking tape to block off some stripes, and to make it easier, I laid the masking tape down strip by strip and then removed every other strip, and that's how I got it even in between. I then used the red paint and then the black paint, of course, to create the stripes. Once it's time to remove the tape, this masking tape doesn't seem to stick very well, or it sticks too well because it took some of the paper up with it. So be careful as you remove the masking tape. Notice the edge on the left-hand side isn't clean, so what I did was I used a marker and a ruler and straightened the edges up, and as you can see on the right-hand side, the edges are nice and clean. For the final touch, I'm going to use a permanent black marker and just outline the edges of the figure. Thank you for viewing my art tutorial. Please check out the rest of my tutorials on my YouTube channel. Thank you.